Whether it's a newly installed traffic signal or a buried utility, your public works team needs to access complete, trustworthy asset records. With Autodesk Build, you maintain a central location for everything. Inspection forms, installation photos, equipment manuals, and warranty details, all tied to the asset. When the city's electrical contractor returns months later for a routine check, they scan the barcode on the traffic signal with a tablet. Instantly, they can pull the asset's history, including installation date, inspection records, and past repairs and supporting documentation. If they notice wear or a component needs replacement, they can complete a maintenance form on the spot and attach new photos to the asset record. You'll have a record of when the issue was reported, what was done, and by whom. Everything stays audit-ready, trackable, and under your control, whether it's your internal staff or an outside contractor doing the work. IMAGINiT's government experts help agencies configure Autodesk Build to support smarter inspections, long-term asset tracking, and audit readiness, all within your existing workflows. Contact us today to learn how state and local agencies are using Autodesk Build to maintain control of their infrastructure long after construction wraps up.